Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a mysterious process that's been eating up your memory or CPU, something called system interrupts. You might have noticed it in Task Manager just sitting there using way more resources than it should. So what exactly is that? Why is it using so much memory or CPU? And more importantly, how do we fix it? Stick around, I will walk you through everything step by step. So first off, what is system interrupts? It's not a virus or a background app. It's actually part of Windows operating system. It acts as a bridge between your hardware and your process. Think of it like a traffic controller. It listens for signals from your hardware like your mouse, keyboard, sound card, and even your network devices. When something needs attention, it interrupts your CPU to say, hey, do this. It's supposed to be low resource and barely noticeable, but if something goes wrong, like a bad driver, faulty hardware, or misconfigured settings, it can spiral out of control and hog your system memory or CPU. All right, now let's fix it. Method 1, restart your PC. I know it sounds silly, but sometimes a fresh reboot clears out stuck interrupts or resets device drivers that were glitching in the background. So do that first. If it doesn't help, let's move to real solutions. Method 2, update your drivers. Bad or outdated drivers are the #1 cause of interrupt issues. So head the Windows key, type Device Manager, and open it. Go through key hardware categories like network adapters, sound, video, and game controllers, and universal serial bus controllers. Right-click each one and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find the best ones. You can also visit your manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers manually. After updating drivers, restart your computer and check if memory usage has dropped. Method 3, disable unused hardware. Some devices generate interrupts even when you're not using them. Let's say you're not using Bluetooth or an old network adapter. Disabling it could help. Back in the Device Manager, find any hardware you don't need. Right-click it and choose Disable Device. Don't disable anything unless you know what it is. Focus on extras like Bluetooth, infrared, or secondary audio devices. Restart your computer and monitor the result. Next up, Method 4, check for BIOS or firmware updates. If your system is older or recently upgraded, your BIOS might need an update to work smoothly with Windows. To check your BIOS version, press Windows R, type emsinfo32, and hit Enter. Look for BIOS version date. Now visit your PC or motherboard manufacturer's support page and see if there is a newer version available. Only update BIOS if you're comfortable doing it, and make sure to follow instructions carefully. Method 5, turn off fast startup. Fast startup can sometimes cause power management or driver conflicts. Here is how to disable it. Open Control Panel, go to Power Options, then click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Then uncheck Turn on fast startup. Save your changes and restart. This small change can reduce interrupt activity for some users. Alright, Method 6, run Windows Memory Diagnostic. High memory usage could also be caused by faulty RAM. Press Windows R, type mdsg.exe, and press Enter. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will reboot and run a test on your memory. If any errors show up, you might need to replace a memory stick. Method 7, run a full system scan using Windows Security or a trusted antivirus. If it finds anything, clean it up, restart, and check if the issue is resolved. And now Method 8, disable auto enhancements. Yes, even sound drivers can cause interrupt storms. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar, choose Sounds, then go to the Playback tab. Right-click your default playback device, click Properties, and go to the Enhancements tab. Check the box that says Disable All Enhancements. Click OK and restart your system. And that's it, my friends. A small glitch in one hardware driver can lead to these weird issues. So take your time and go through these methods carefully. If this video helped you out, drop a like to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. And if you have got questions or want help with a specific problem, leave a comment below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe and happy commuting.